If you want to go ahead and share specific files, then you can simply go around over here onto the share section over here on the left hand side. And what you can do now is you can go ahead and add files or folders from your desktop. Let's say, for example, I can click on select files, then I can go around right here. Let's say, for example, select out the file that I want to share and simply click on open and it'll be loaded up. Apart from that, you can also click on add from Terabox right here and then add in the files just like this by navigating around, press done, and the file will be accumulated just like this. So now if you want to go ahead and share out this file, you can go ahead now and click on generate link. So once you do that, what happens is that the link gets generated, as you can see right here. So it's in process and you can see that there are 7 links now that has been created. So now you can go ahead and cancel sharing or simply click on share right here, copy out the link right here, and then what you can do now is, let's say, for example, if I were to go to an incognito window, I can go ahead now and simply view those files by using the link. So that is how you can go ahead and then share out selected files from your desktop and even your Terabox right here and share it out together inside of Terabox web interface. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.